Hi everyone, today I want to show you all GT Benz alarm padlock. GT Benz alarm padlock has two functions. Firstly, if you put down the shackler lightly, like this, it can be used as normal padlock. Secondly, it can be used as alarm system. Press down the shackler until you hear the sound. That means the alarm is activated. If someone intends to force open the lock, the alarm padlock will warn him or her by 3 sounds for warning. If the thief still continues to pursue, the alarm will activate the loud siren. The cool-off time for the siren is 10 seconds. If nobody touches the alarm padlock within 30 seconds, it will auto-reset back to the warning alarm. GT Benz alarm padlock can be used in any doors, windows, iron chain, lorry, motorbike, and so on to keep your house and belongings safe. GT Benz alarm padlock can be also locked at any parts of iron rack. When the thief cutting the iron rack, the vibration will also activate the alarm. GT Benz alarm padlock can save your family and your assets. GT Benz, the proven quality.